ruts on the rope. Sounds like he's got Metallica drummers in the background just giving her on drums. No, he's just absolutely boring out his entire suspension, brake system, everything. Like everything is every bearing on that Dodge is gonna fall right off and just blow right out the back door in a minute. You'll see. He bought a Dodge, it's used. He's not a mechanic, so he paid $1,100 to have his radio repaired. I mean, I've never heard of any repaired. He said he still didn't even get it repaired. I mean, I got to get to that mechanic shop and buy into that place. If they are selling people, repairs for a radio for $1,100 and they're not even fixing nothing, and then the customers are just walking away like it's all hunky-dory, man, I want to buy into that place. Stat. That's better than Bitcoin all day, yo. So you see here we've got and this thing moves around. Like this thing pivots, full pivot, and this thing spins as well, so it looks up and down, and this thing moves full 360 all the way around. Okay, so what you're getting here is peace of mind in your house that everything is okay. When you're not home, you have this peace of mind. All right, so this one is very important. This retails for about 50, 60, $100, depending on which one you get. This one's 2K indoor. It's a wired one, so it's a bit cheaper, but you got to think about people that are using these are really people who want peace of mind, right? It's not about it's the most high tech or something like that. This is simply just to get you through the day or the week or the year, right? For this small cost, I'll take it all the time. So we have another beautiful we have a new storage container with a hygrometer on top. Nice vessel. We picked this up here in Winnipeg from a local shop, and if anybody's interested, I can get you some of these. I'm going to put a few stickers on here. It'll be $150 to purchase one of these, and you can do it through Super Chat, and you have to pay for shipping, but $150 gets you one of those, and I'll put some stickers on it for the show. The brand new sticker, first time reveal. You have to get one of those in order to get the stickers for the first time. After that, the stickers will roll out every month as long as you're super chatting and a channel member in a proper fashion, paying for shipping. You can get new stickers will roll out every month starting next month. Okay, so it's going to be pretty sweet on the show. I'm looking to do a bunch of things for the people who watch the show and stuff. I want to make sure you have access to some of the best tech items in the world. I want to make sure you have access to some of these. Will all have promo codes and deals on them, but right now I want to feature the seeds of freedom, my friends. The seeds of freedom. Plants, flowers. Plant something today. You also have memory cards up for grabs as well. Super chatting on this channel wins you prizes over the course of a year. You build up like a bank. This is where you're at now. Boom, we send this out. All you got to do is pay for shipping. We send this out. We send this out for someone who super chats up to $500 this year. It's gonna get a 4K night vision trail cam. This thing is epic. Brand new, by the way. Never been used. It's brand new. Super minty. Like, this thing is mint. If I say it's brand new, never been used, hey, I might have plugged it in and checked it or charged it, but that's it. It's never been used, okay? I have 2 or 3 of those. They're perfect. I'm using all of them. They work. They're heavy duty. There's nice snaps on it. Perfect weather protection. I'll show this and how everything works. And if you don't understand what this is, I'll teach you how to use it. Don't worry about it. There's mounting brackets, but it also comes with different things. You can strap this to trees, posts, lamp posts, fence posts. I'll show you how to do it. There's all kinds of ties you can tie off. Many ways to utilize this right here, okay? You could duct tape it in certain spots. I'll show you what to do. Stay tuned. And you use camouflage duct tape, right? So it blends in. You can't see this thing. You cannot see this thing. Trust me, I've caught people doing stuff they wish they never got caught on with one of these. Stay tuned, folks. Remember, you're watching. Oh, pull my finger. George, pull it. No, don't pull it. Don't pull it.